Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my first official YouTube video here on the internet. Today we'll be doing an everyday makeup tutorial, the one that I am wearing right now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover because I had my boyfriend over to come and help me film, and I talked to him throughout most of the video. But first I'm going to be using my Maybelline primer with the Blur Illuminate, and then I'm going to be taking my Fenty foundation in the shade 160 and just dotting that all over my face. And after that I'll be blending it out with my e.l.f. Selfie Ready foundation brush. So up next I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and just blending that out with my beauty blender, making sure I get all of my dark circles and imperfections because I want as much full coverage as possible. So after I have my concealer all blended in, I am taking the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow. And then with a C brush, I'll be taking the shade Canvas just to make sure that primer is all set. And then after that, I'm taking the shade Clay from the Lorac Pro palette to just lightly blend that into my crease just to give my eyes a little bit more depth. And then from that same palette, I'll be taking Cool Taupe just to darken my crease a little bit more to give my eyes more dimension. And then to give my eyes a little bit more warmth, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and the shade Raw Sienna and just buffing that into my crease for a bit warmer look. Once I have all of that buffed out, I cut my crease. I was leaning in too close to my mirror so you couldn't see me, but I cut my crease and then blended it out with the tip of my finger. And then again, taking the Lorac Pro palette, I used the shade Almond Pearl just to add a little bit of shine to my eye look. And then I'm going straight into with the Pro Fusion Contour palette in the shades Light Contour and Medium Contour and just buffing that into my face. The blush, or the literally shade from his palette as a blush.
Oh.
Because that's what James does, so that's what we're gonna do, sister. And then I'm just going to be spraying my cheek brush with a little bit of setting spray just to have a highlighter to stick to, and I'm using the shade Face from the James Charles Artistry palette just to give myself a little bit of shine. And then I'll put a tip on my nose and on my Cupid's bow and down the center of my nose. And then I've already curled my eyelashes before I started my makeup, but I'll be using the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara just to give my eyelashes a little bit more volume and to make sure they're full and nice and thick. after I have my mascara done, I'm going straight into eyeliner because I sometimes like my eye looks to be a little bit more dramatic for every day. But you can't really see how I'm doing my eyeliner because I'm leaning so close to my mirror. But if you'd like an in-depth eyeliner tutorial, please let me know and I will be happy to do that for you guys. My last step for my everyday makeup tutorial is using a Demi Matte lipstick by Huda Beauty in the shade Shio, and I'm just going straight in and filling in my lips, making sure that I have all parts covered and that there's no patchiness. Once I have all of my makeup done, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray and fanning that out with a palette just to make sure that it's all dry and that my makeup is set. And after that, we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Well, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you're notified whenever I post videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!